Hey, hi, it's Sharon again. Now, I'm kind of on an animal roll lately. And last time I shared a video with you on how to do tapping with your animal, for your pets. And so I have another one that I'm going to share with you today, and it's going to be below here. It's a public video, but I think a lot of you probably have missed it, and I want you to see it because it's an important and cool thing. This is a video where you're going to use the power of unconditional love to dissolve pain. Now, this can be, you're thinking, okay, well, what if I'm not in pain? Well, think about it in terms of emotional pain, maybe, rather than physical pain. These are actually kind of sort of the same thing. And in my line of work, the emotional pain is actually the precursor to the physical stuff showing up. So you got to work with the one before you can work with the other one. Anyway, this is a really cool video because love is the universal solvent for every problem that's out there. And I know this is a thing I teach. And I developed this technique. It is not tapping. It is something that I developed specifically to use the power of unconditional love to dissolve an issue. So whatever you've got, I want you to try this. And you make use of an animal that you're close to, either in physical form or it can be one that's no longer alive. It does not matter. Now, when you work with the ones that are already alive with this, they know you're doing it. And they're going to turn around and look at you. They're going to purr. They're going to wag they know when you're doing this. And they agree to help you with this. And they love doing this. They love it. And I think you're going to really enjoy this. So I want you to expand, again, I talked about this last time, the way you view animals in your life in terms of expansion. Don't see them as just these things that you take care of. I want you to see that and really appreciate that they are also here to take care of you. They love you, and they're doing their very best to give you all the cues to be physically and emotionally and mentally better and healthier. So these are really cool things to think about. And I think you're going to enjoy this new technique that I created. So the video's down below, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Mwah!